At the end of the day, dahan-dahan tayo sa pagtanggap ng ano-ano mga naririnig natin. Um, let's have a more critical thinking. Let's develop critical thinking. Hindi porke sinabi mag-move on, let go, move on, follow it like a, gospel. You have to test. You really have to test kung ano yung mga naririnig mo. You really have to have an experiential relevance kung talagang nakaka-apply siya sa buhay mo. Kung may value talaga siya sa buhay mo. Ang pina-point out ko lang is that you have to constantly increase your knowledge, and then yung knowledge mo na yun, i-apply mo sa buhay mo, then it becomes wisdom. The more that you have wisdom, the more that you allow yourself to love. Believe it or not, mas madaling mag-love kapag nag-i-increase yung wisdom mo. When you stop judging. Kasi kapag tumataas yung wisdom mo, stop judging people. Hindi porke matalino ka, may pride, mali na yung next person. The more na tumataas ang wisdom mo, the more that you allow yourself to be in love with the nature of reality, to be in love with people.